Hi my beauties, and welcome back to another video. If you are returning to my channel, welcome. If you are new to my channel and not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's the beauty way or no way, period. So today guys, I have a fun little video for you guys. Very colorful. I hope you all enjoy. Okay guys, so I already put on some white French tip, and the colors I am using today is the MAKARTT Jelly Polish. I am using 3 colors from this kit. And then I'm going in with some clear top coat. You guys could use any top coat that you wish. I just used what I had on hand, and I really love this top coat, guys. I cannot pronounce the name of this top coat, but if you all are interested in it, I'll leave a link down in the description bar down below. I'm just sealing those colors with the top coat, and this top coat, guys, it holds rhinestone pretty well. It lasts about 2 to 3 weeks. Your rhinestone don't budge at all. So after I done put on my top coat, I leave this to cure for 60 seconds. So I'll be using Super Nail Clear Acrylic Powder. Don't mind the label saying pink, guys, it is clear. And then I'll be using Mia Secret Cover Beige. Guys, I went ahead and put some pink in my acrylic powder to make it a little more pink. So I'm going ahead now and priming her nails. So after I done prime, I'm going in with a thin layer of clear acrylic. This is to prevent lifting. And then I'm going in with the Mia Secret Cover Beige, and I'm covering the nail bed area. And then guys, I am going in with my clay and I'm sealing everything. So after I done file and buff, I am going in with some gel top coat. Is the same gel top coat I used before. I am just going in with some rhinestone. If you all are interested in anything that I used today, I will leave a link down in the description bar down below so you all could check that out. So yeah guys, this is the finished results. Oh my god, they came out so gorgeous. I really loving this rainbow French. It's so gorgeous and the colors came out so vibrant, guys. If you all are interested in any products, I will leave a link down in the description bar down below. As I said, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye guys.